Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to use Google Lens directly from the camera application. I will tell you in this video. So where it is very simple and easy. You can just come to the camera and top left corner you can see that Google Lens is here. Now you have to tap on here, and this feature is very cool. You can search any of the object. Like if I have not the study material and I want to just click the picture of the question paper or anything, it will be solved. So you can see, just click the picture and you can even translate Hindi to English or any language you want. Here it is live feature. So in this feature you can just search live. You browse your phone, allow Google to display over the other apps. You can do also, and in this you can create anything. You can see, like, click on this and describe your edits. It's give the information about that. So this is a basically cool feature if you want to know something. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube video and like our video. Thanks for watching.